Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I got this purple smoky eye, and I really like how this turned out. I don't really wear colorful looks. I'm more of like a nude and bronze, browns, earth tone type of girl. I really like how this turned out, and if you want to see how to get this look, then please keep watching. So starting off this eye look, I'm going to be using the Jaclyn Hill palette, and I'm going to go in with these two shades right here for my transition shade. Next, I'm going to go in with this shade right here down below and just work that into my crease. Next, I'm going to go in with the Urban Decay Born to Run palette, and I'm going to take this purpley plum shade right here, just tap off. And then I'm going to put that into my crease too, and then move it onto my eyelid as well. Now I'm going to be taking a MAC 242 brush, and I'm just going to spray that with my Fix Plus. Now I'm going to take the Jaclyn Hill palette again and go in with this purple color right here. And I'm going to put this on my eyelid. Now going in with my blending brush, I'm just going to go back in with that purpley color and take the smallest amount and just tap it off and start blending this purple into my crease. So I'm just going to go in with a little bit of powder and put that under my eyes because the eyeshadow is falling, so I don't want it to ruin my makeup. Okay. Okay, so and now that the eyeshadow is all blended, curl our eyelashes. Then we're gonna go in with mascara. I'm using the Rocket by Maybelline, and then I'm also gonna use the Better Than Sex by Too Faced. Now I'm going to go in with the lashes, and I'm going to be using the Ardell Wispies, and they look like this. Okay, now that the lashes are on, I'm just going to dust this powder away. Okay, now going back in with the Jaclyn Hill palette, I'm going to be taking the same purple and working that into my waterline. So going back in with the same purple, I'm just gonna work it into my lower lash line as well. Now going back in with mascara, I'm just taking the Rocket and I'm just gonna coat my bottom lashes. So this is the final eye look. Okay guys, so this is the final look. I hope you enjoyed watching. If you're not subscribed, make sure to hit that subscribe button and give this video a like and a comment, and I hope to see you guys in my next video.